So next point is about national emblem. National emblem means what? Emblem means picture with motto. So there is emblem means there is one picture with something written about it. It means emblem. Let us know what is meant by national emblem. It is of the lion capital is the national emblem of India. There is some lions are there, themselves statue or that picture is of our national emblem of our India. It was adapted from the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. That is a Ashoka pillar and that was taken from there at Sarnath. Sarnath is a place and that statue is present in the Sarnath, and that statue was included as a national emblem. It was 4 lions, and that is of 4 lions. One is hidden from view. When we are looking from front side, there are looking 3 lions, but one lion is behind of that 3, facing 4 direction, and themselves faces are looking to the 4 directions. Just like one lion is looking to the east, one is looking to the west, one is looking to the south, and one is looking to the north. Like that 4 lions are there in this pillar or in this statue, and all are looking to different directions. These lions sitting back to back. So in that pillar, all the lions, those are sitting as back to back, means all 4 lions back is touching to each other, are mounted on a circular abacus. Means there is a downside, there is a circular abacus is there, means circular base is there, which has 4 chakra, and each lion's front side there is one chakra is there. Chakra means circular round, just like a dharma chakra or circular round with the lines, and sculpture of lion. Sculpture means the statue of lion. In that, a bull and elephants and horse between them. On the abacus, on the base of this pillar, there is bull, elephant and horse also be there. The words Satyameva Jayate means truth alone trumps. Means Satyameva Jayate is a motto, or it is a slogan, or it is a written on the abacus, on the base of the pillar. Means truth alone trumps, truth always wins, are inscribed below the base of the emblem, and that is written the base of emblem below the base of emblem, means downside of the base it is written. Then you can look at this picture. It is a pillar of Sarnath, and that is called our national emblem. There are, you can look, 3 faces of the lion. There is a downside is of the abacus, there is chakra, and around it that other animals, and behind of that 3 lion again one lion is present. Then the emblem forms a part of all official government documents like identification documents, passport, voter ID, and currency of India. This is our national emblem, and this emblem is present on our Indian government's documents like identification documents. It is a present, or it is a stamp, or the picture always focus on our national government documents. If you want any passport, on that passport also you can look this national emblem. Voter ID also, there is our Indian emblem, national emblem you can look, and currency of India, there is also this national emblem is present. So this is our nation's symbol, so that is why that is a sign of our nation, so that is present on all the documents which is important and which is belonging by India and Indian government. Thank you.